I'm telling you, the ice is thick. Like so thick. I can walk all the way across. I know I can.
No way, look how thin it is.
3/4 underneath. Watch me.
Okay.
You watch me. Here, hold my hat just in case.
Oh, I'm a little bit scared.
It's a little soft though.
I'm slightly scared. Oh my youth.
Uber confidence.
I can't lie, I've really been addicted to you. All of my attention I've been giving to you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you.
Oh, welcome to the squad. The squad's all together now. Family's all together. Tom, Sarah, Ben, and me. Today we're doing the 10-kilometer Big Beehive hike, and it stops at Mirror Lake and Agnes Lake. And right now we're at Lake Louise. Oh man, it's so crazy to have all my siblings here on the same hike. I've never hiked, even with one of my siblings, for like multiple days, and now we're all together for 4 days. This is so cool. They all have 3 kids each. This never happens. I managed to pull them away from their husbands and wives and kids just for a little bit. We've made it to the top of Big Beehive Lookout after a lot of snow, a lot of switchbacks. So this is why this is my top 3 hikes in the Canadian Rockies. Look at this view. Thirsty looking at this Gatorade?
It does look like it's got the right electrolytes.
It does. Potassium sodium balance. The compound is on.
Tis a new song they are singing.
That's hard to sing at 2,500 meters.
It actually is.
Thin air.
I'm panting.
No more photos, guys. So many family photos.
But awesome family photos. Look. So we finished the hike with the family, but I have an amazing surprise for my brother and sister. 2 rooms in the Chateau Fairmont Lake Louise Hotel down there, and they have no idea. And I'm just going to go to the front, check in, grab the key cards, and then give them to my brother and sister. Really hoping that the surprise works. Big thanks, Chateau Lake Louise, for hooking up a couple of rooms. All right, time to hike back down there and head to the locker. Wow, my turn, I guess. Wow, nice one, Tom, going first.
You're gonna do it again?
Well, Ben missed the first one.
Are you kidding?
No.
Well, the brain can go. That's good now. Wow. So, warmed up like crazy. No. Yes, man!
Amazing. Oh, sister's next.
So I just picked up the checking keys and I'm gonna go and surprise my brother and sister with this. Hopefully this works. Oh, I'm nervous. Should we go for a sneaky look?
Well, let's drive over.
We'll drive over? Okay, we can walk over, but
do you
we
want?
should go for a sneaky look. Here's your room. And here's your room.
What is this? What?
Are you serious?
Yeah. We ain't going nowhere.
We're going right there.
Yeah.
Oh!
Let's go!
How did you get this?
That's why I was grinning. I couldn't stop grinning.
You knew? How did you know?
So, yeah.
Persuasion for him to come fly out here.
Come on! That's ruthless.
No, I'm just joking.
Surprises after surprises, you friggin' guys. It never stops. This is awesome.
That was what you weren't doing!
I didn't poo at all. It was a play. It was a play.
You had to get ahead to get
Wow!
Tricked him. Wow.
No air mattress tonight.
I don't have to.
No air
I'm
mattress.
sleeping in a real bed.
Well, welcome. I can't take your temperature check. I'm sorry. Of course. We just actually do it on the inside of the nest. Oh, you're too cold. Oh, sorry.
But you passed.
But you passed, yeah.
passed at least.
35. 34. Nice and cold too.
Cold-blooded.
It's actually got her name written on it.
Mark and fam, welcome to Lake Louise. We're stoked to have you and hope you have an amazing time in our little slice of heaven.
To the family together. Six waterfalls.
Hey, how's it going over there?
Alright, we just finished an hour in the canoe. Super stunning. Now we're gonna paddle back in and head over to Moraine Lake. And yeah, just a chill day today. Not really any climbing or hiking because we did a big one yesterday.
I've seen that one.
One's wobbling his way up there. So this is Matt. Boom. He just took a photo of us four jumping off this log. So cool. It's not the best time of day because the shadows are really strong, a lot of contrast. Every single day we've jumped into some sort of glacial water and we've got to keep the trend going. We only have one day left. 6 days, 6 ice dips. I haven't showered once on this trip, just jumping into ice water. All right, good morning from our last day here in Banff National Park, and right now I'm on the rooftop of Lake Louise. Check out this view. You can see the sediment in the water which gives the lake that green and blue color. We're headed up to Rawson Lake, which is, I believe, still covered in some ice, just like Lake Agnes was. And this will be our 6 for 6 for jumping in polar lakes. So stoked today though, we saw a moose and a bear. Unfortunately, the conservation officer was right behind us, so then they put on the sirens and scared the bear away, but still awesome. Whew, I'm out of breath. Alright, we made it to Rawson Lake, but we're not even gonna stop because we're going straight up the ridge because we have to get Tom back for his flight in Calgary at midnight tonight. So there's the lake, but we're going straight up to the ridge. Just when it was pouring rain, stopped, and then look at that, insane! My goodness! Hey, what's going on? Yes, 100%, let's do it.
It's a blessing.
That's all we got?
I just don't know that next line.
Yeah, me neither. Brightly His sunshine appears, spreading a beautiful rainbow over the valley of tears. I gotta change lens and film that. Wow, that's amazing.
Like a billy goat.
You're like a billy goat. Hey, can you show us your special talent?
This grass over here is a little long. Can you just cut it? Yeah, cut it.
Maintenance
of this piece. Yeah, cut it.
Right.
The look at the end. Final family peak. Now we're gonna head down, jump in the ice cold water for our final ice bath, and then head back to Calgary. And that'll be it. All right, let's go, Tim. Back down. Wow.
Yo, slack top! Watch out! Nice move! I can walk all the way across.
Oh my. Whoa. Yeah, then power through, power through.
Yeah, Ben.
To the right, to the right, to the right. You good?
Just a little bit too thin.
You almost made it.
Just that center part. That was it.
That's just that part? That was it?
That was it.
That was such a dramatic drop.
Man, it was so scary.
You had to comb through that ice piece? You had to comb through that one piece?
Oh man. Oh, I'm hanging, yes.
Such an echo.
Burners on.
That was pretty fun. It was actually a lot slower than I thought.
Is polar dip tobogganing?
Sarah looks more cold than all of us.
Oh, I feel good. Now Sarah is about to go right now. Absolutely dreading it.
No.
Do I have to dolphin dive?
Here goes the paper drag princess.
Yes!
Amazing.
Well, that is a wrap on officially the most epic family trip of all time. 6 days, 6 polar dips, and the 4 siblings together. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm freezing, okay, bye.